Well, hello there. Quick video today. I, of course, am Uncle Jake, and this is a video in response. It was a request from the community about the, not just the squeaks in Raptors, but the squeaks that you get in Ford F150s. It's probably wider spread than this, but 09 to 14. Yeah, and if you have that squeak in two places or just in the cab area, you're gonna know what I'm talking about. Check it out. We're out here in front of the old museum, which was the old jail. It's a little bit rainy, so I got you inside the cab, keep you nice and dry. So when I got this Raptor, this started out with it sounded like the whole thing was worn out. Like when you come back here in the seat, I mean, it was just like there was just squeaks. It sounded like they were everywhere. And I was like, is the truck worn out? Is it falling apart? No, the answer is no. But we had to go back and grab some really old footage to find it, because when I was dealing with this rear slider not working and I took the seat apart, which is a little bit complicated on how you take the seat apart, so you're gonna really be happy if you have the squeaky problem, because the squeaks majority all originate from back behind us, and Ford didn't make the seat to fold down even in the remotest simple of ways. So watch that video, well, the clip that's coming up in the same video, that is, and then as soon as we come back, I'll show you the other portion where the squeaks also originate from. Okay, so watch this one. Check it out, we get the rear seat out, and that is the motor possibly in question with the slider not working. But it's also a chance to fix the rear squeak, because I hates it. I can't stand you. And it was squeaking right here behind this seat. And there's a shiny spot. There's a piece of cloth that goes here. Let me show you. It's this right here. This is what goes behind it. And there's some shiny spots right here. And when you rub here, nothing. When you get here, it starts squeaking. That's probably a really big zoom in. But I totally found the squeak because I can't stand it. So now I'm sanding, hello! Now I'm sanding these. Hear that? And then nothing. Squeak. So we're sanding that down, trying to make it better. And now, of course, you're back. And that was from some old footage when I first got the Raptor. But you can see that those spots, it was like death from 1,000 saddle squeaks. It was terrible. But when I got that done, the squeaks weren't completely eliminated. The other part was on this trim. So if you just look on this trim, I just had to take that same super fine sandpaper, 600 grit, so I'm not messing up the trim. It's 600 grit. It doesn't even feel like sandpaper. It feels pretty smooth actually, but it's got a little bit of roughness on this, that you can take it and just rub it, you know, just like that, up and down the trim. You're gonna get, well, where's the trim on this? Is there any trim here? I thought there was some trim on the door I found one time. Oh yeah, right here. A little bit right here that you want to get, and then just go around all that trim. If you do that, you will eliminate all of the squeaks in your truck. Again, Raptor or F-150, doesn't really matter. So a super short video, but if you're like me and you hate those squeaks, oh my gosh, it was driving me crazy. So that's it, a super quick one today in case you have that problem. Have an awesome day. Eliminate the squeaks. From Uncle Jake, Motors and Mischief. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the link button. Ask more questions if you've got them and we know the answer. We'll take care of it for you. We'll make a little bit like this. Have a great rest of the day. We love you. It's a fist bump of friendship on the way out. Whoop-ow.